Welcome to Study Loop.
So here for part A, when we want to find the moment of inertia I, or rather when we want to find kinetic energy, we want to find the moment of inertia first. So I would be equal to the sum of the masses sub I times r sub I squared. And here the axis of rotation is going through point P. So we can say that here the moment of inertia would be equal to 2m L squared plus 2mL squared plus m times 2L quantity squared. So at this point, we can say that I would be equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 2 squared 4, so 8mL squared. And we can say that this is going to be equal to 8 times 1.60 kilograms multiplied by 0.60 meters quantity squared. And we find that the moment of inertia I is going to be equal to 4.6 kilograms meters squared. Now, to find we know that omega is equaling 1.2 radians per second. Therefore, the rotational kinetic energy would be equal to 1/2 I omega squared, or 1/2 times 4.6 times 1.2 quantity squared. We know that the rotational kinetic energy for part A for an axis of rotation going through point P would be approximately 3.3 joules. Now, for part B, it's a bit different only because the axis of rotation now is a standard y-axis. So this would be the axis of rotation for part B. And given this now, our moment of inertia changes. The moment of inertia is now equal to 2mr squared plus 2mr squared plus m2L quantity squared. However, here r now is equaling L cosine of theta, or we can say L being 0.60 meters cosine of 30 degrees. So at this point, we can say that I is going to be equal to 4 times the mass of, again, 1.60 kilograms multiplied by 0.60 meters cosine of 30 degrees. This quantity would be squared plus the mass of 1.60 kilograms multiplied by 2 times 0.60 meters. This quantity would be squared. And we find that the moment of inertia now equals 4.0 kilograms meters squared. And then again, the rotational kinetic energy would be equal to 1/2 I omega squared, or 1/2 times 4.0 times 1.2 quantity squared. This is equaling 2.9 joules. This would be your rotational kinetic energy for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.